Hello friends. So I'm really excited today because this is my first video on YouTube. So that's why I thought that this should be a short introduction video and what this channel will be all about. Thus this channel will be all about affiliate marketing. So how can you start your career in affiliate marketing and how can you grow in this field? So let's see, I'm giving you a short introduction about affiliate marketing and what things you should develop skill in, so you can grow in affiliate marketing something more better. Because when you search on YouTube that what is affiliate marketing and how can you start this your career in affiliate marketing, then you get lots of more videos. But detail that you get the link from whatever the affiliate network and promote it and give that link to somewhere on Facebook, on Instagram, and all that channel. Okay, so this is not a right way. If you want to do affiliate marketing in a right way, in right manner, so you should have some specific skills, so you can do affiliate marketing in a right way. So these shortcut method are work with a small ticket products like $25, $30, $40, or $50, like that. Okay, so these will not work with big ticket product like $100, $500, $1,000, $5,000. So these products should, if you want to promote that products, so you need a specific system, because that product price is high. You promote other companies product or services and you get a one-time commission or a recurring commission. There is a lot of different plans are there, um, that change with company to company. Okay, so if you want to start affiliate marketing, first you need to choose your niche. So what is the niche? So these are, if you are not from digital marketing field, then you don't know about what is niche. So this is nothing but a uh, I'm explaining you to other way. Okay, you are in college and I am also from a diploma. I have completed diploma in electronics. So when I was in college, so there is a different types of departments like electronics, electrical, computer, information technology. These all are different types of department. Like that, this niche is nothing but a different uh, field of products you need to promote. Like the right away. Currently my niche is online marketing. Okay, I am promoting internet marketing and online marketing products to the people. Okay, so different type of niche is in digital marketing, like health and fitness, like personal development, like online marketing. Okay, so different type of niche. You need to uh, first of all select your niche, because niche is most important. Okay, you can work in a particular niche. So first of all, how to choose your niche, and that all type of videos I will make in future. Okay, this video is I have made just for introduction. Second thing, website and funnels. So if you want to start digital marketing, first of all you need a website. Okay, so website and funnels, these two are very different. I will make a video on this later on. Okay, so if you want to watch that videos, so subscribe to my channel. You have selected your niche. Okay, after that you need to select product, choose product from various affiliate networks like Clickbank, vCommission, Commission Junction, etc. Okay, you get very different type of affiliate networks. You just go to Google and type your niche like online marketing affiliate programs. So you get different types of affiliate program and different type of website and companies. Okay, they are providing affiliate products, so you can apply on that program and you can promote it. Okay, so how to promote? So you can promote products in two way. in through paid advertising or organic. Whichever thing you are mastering, you can proceed with that. Okay, paid is nothing but a through advertising, paid advertising, like on Facebook, on Google, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, etc. There is a different types of advertising networks are there. Okay, you can work on that. So how to promote products through advertising and through organic way. So these both uh, types of method I will make video in future in this channel. Okay, and next is content writing. Okay, content writing is very important, because when you uh, when you do paid advertising or organic, your content is the main thing. These are nothing but a this field is affiliate marketing. So in marketing you need a good communication skill. So you are doing affiliate marketing online, so you need a content writing skills. So how can you write effective content, and how can you uh, promote products to someone. So these are content writing skills you need a most, because in paid advertising or you do organic method, in both way you need a content writing skills is most important thing. Next is email marketing. So this is the heart of the affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketers saying that if you are not building a email list, then you are not building a business. So in affiliate marketing, you must build your own email list. This is your asset in online business, like in affiliate marketing. Okay, so you must need to build your email list. So how to build your email list, how to do email marketing, and these will be all about the future content will be on this channel. Okay. Second is personal branding. So personal branding is also a very important thing, like on social media, on YouTube. So these are all a personal branding. You need to do a personal branding. The what is the benefit of personal branding? The personal through personal branding, you can organically promote your products and services to your audience. So why? Because your audience know you and trust you. Okay. And paid advertising, this is the most important thing. Most of the affiliate marketers are creating generating their revenue from paid advertising, because through organic you can not reach that much of people. So how to do paid advertising on Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube. Okay, so these how to do these paid advertising in all these platform, I will be uh, explain you in future videos. Okay, I will be making future videos on these topics. That's why I have created this video, like introduction video. Okay, next is how you can start your own YouTube channel, and how you can organically do affiliate marketing, and also from YouTube you can also earn money through YouTube. Okay, so this will be my future contents. So stick with me and subscribe to my channel, because if you want to learn these skills which I have discussed right now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we will meet you soon.